Sa gagawin mga kaibigan. Kasama ng gagala ang mag-ina. Oh, ayan. Oh, sarap maligo dun sa dagat, oh. Oh, itong isa, oh. Tingnan mo nga, oh. Nakapag-ice cream. Gustong-gusto niya gagawin dyan. Ayaw, pag basa-basa na. Ayaw, pag basa-basa. Yeah, we can go up there. No, I don't think that's the access. Huh? Dagat ngayon, medyo rough siya. Kasi kanina umulan. Hangin, ganda. Maganda maglakad-lakad. Yeah, we're gonna go back. We will see what's in here, Goy. May barko doon, Goy. Dalawa. Yeah, may construction din. Ayan, pwede ka ditong bumaba mga kaibigan. Access po. Ayan, pwede kang bababa doon. You place sa sand. Mahangin ngayon. Ice cream! Ice cream ang chikiting. Ayan, hala, nabulit ng mukha, oh. She loves her Dove chocolate ice cream. Okay, let's go. Balik na tayo. Hello, Goy. Say hi, my friends. Pasok tayo sa loob. Umulan kanina pero maganda, oh, hindi mainit, hindi din malamig, tamang-tama lang. Talagang naligo si Agoy-Agoy doon sa swimming pool. Grabe mga kaibigan ang kanyang pagtampisaw sa swimming. Ligo-ligo siya banat doon. Kami lang kasi si CJ nasa school. Mag-ina kami ng dalawa. Masyal kami ni Agoy-Agoy. Napaka-rough ngayon, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh, maalon siya. Pwede ka dyang mag-surfing, oh. Okay, put in the side. Pwede ka dyang mag-surfing, mga kaibigan. Surfing. Kay... Uy, Goy, saan ba tayo nagpasok? Okay. Dali na umulan. Ito yung mga dala ni Agoy-Agoy, mga kaibigan. Yung snack niya, yung mga damit niyang napasa. Nag-toy siya dito. May barko doon na. Dito ba, Tagoy? Okay, pasok muna kami. Pasok. What's your ano, Goy, ha? Kay maano yan? Madulas ang hagdan. Doon ang view. Okay, tapasok na. Sige, Agoy. Enjoy ang bulilit. Tumutunog ang ano mo, nak. Chinelas. Gala kami dito sa... Keep going. Hayaan mo yung paa mo. Come on. Go. Careful, ha, kay madulas ang basa kasi yung tsinelas niya. Yeah, they're doing some work. Okay. Hello sa inyo lahat. Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi. Magandang see you. Magandang kasami, magandang kasami. Flowers. Ano yan, nak? Plato. Mga memorabilia. Okay. Dito na tayo. Okay. Halika, Goy. Mm-hmm.
Can we see Tita? What's his name? Tita Panchi.
Yes, honey.
Where is she?
It's over there. We're gonna go turn on the other side. Ito mga kaibigan ang kanilang vase na pinakadambuhala. Grabe kaganda. Real na real ang flowers na yan. Grabe kabango. Grabe kaganda. Yes.
Do you know Tita Panchi's number to go with the real?
Be careful na to touch the flower, ha? Ayan, ganda oh.
Come on, let's go.
Mm-hmm. Ito yung gusto ko. Ang ganda ng kulay.
I found a flower piece.
Oh, that's okay. Nakalanlaglag lang siya. You like it? Nakalanlaglag may orchids. Bango ng orchids. Bango yung mga kaibigan.
Let's go, Mama.
Red roses, orchids, hydrangea. Ito oh, ang ganda oh. Mga yellow rose. May greenery. Oh, di ba napakaganda, all over yan siya dito. Ayan, paikot. Dito. Di ba? Napakaganda. Yellow. Ang ganda ng yellow na to, Goy, oh. Super ka-beauty. Oh, tuwang-tuwa si Agoy. Oh, halika dito, Goy. This way. I'm not sure yet. We're gonna go around here.
And we know what's Tita's number.
Yeah, we're gonna go this way.
And wait for
We're gonna sit down here. Kay mayroong nag-pictorial doon. Okay? Let's sit down here. Let's sit down here muna. May pictorial. I don't know. Bakit may pictorial? So, upo ka muna. Sit muna dito. Okay. May pictorial sila. They're taking pictures. Taking pictures. Balik kami dito. Hi. Oh, wait lang. Balik tayo dito sa ano. Okay, sit down lang tayo dito, oh. Okay. Alright. Dito lang muna kami ni Agoy-Agoy. Ano yung bulaklak na yan?
the flower went on the floor.
You like the flowers on the floor?
And I want
Nakapulot si Agoy-Agoy mga kaibigan ng flowers. Oh, gustong-gusto ko ito mga kaibigan. Okay, ang ganda. Oh. Real siya. Totoo talaga na flower. Wow, ang bango-bango ng mga flower nila, Goy, oh. Ang ganda, oh. Nice color. Huwag mo ilagay sa ulo ko, Goy. Huwag mo ilagay sa ulo ko.
Never. Never. Never.
Mayroon silang orchids din, oh.
Mommy, the
Ayan.
one pretty flower. Mommy, the flower. Dito na what are you?
What? Saan mo yung nakuha? Saan mo yung nakuha, Goy?
Because you're taking pizza.
What?
You're putting up pizza. Pizza, 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 pizza.
Uy, huwag ka makulit. Huwag ka ka makulit na. Kulit niya agoy-agoy yung kaibigan, no? Kulit si Manang. Careful nga, makaano ka dyan, makabasag ka.
Mom, do you smell a fart?
What?
Do you smell a fart?
Hmm?
Do you smell a fart? Do you smell a fart? Do you?
No.
There's this a fart on you, next to you, right over there.
Bah.
Dip. Wait.
Ano yan? Bulaklak?
No, you're,
Tambay lang muna
you're
kami
chicken
dito.
Bick. Chicken Bick, 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 Bick.
Relaxing dito.
Hello,
Ay,
I'm a chicken feather mama. Sir, to get you. No. Oop. I'm Kita ears. Kita ears.
Anong ginagawa mo today? How many ice cream did you have?
Pick, pick. Make it two.
How many ice cream ang kinain ni Agoy-Agoy?
Two. Pick, 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 pick.
Na sugar rush na to si
It's only
Agoy-Agoy
two.
kasi dalawang ice
But
cream.
the orange one, I didn't like it, so I had to get two.
Huh?
I only had to get one. And
Yeah, you got 3 but you don't like the other one.
yeah, so I got two.
Yeah, you got 2.
Bubbles.
You got 2, you only eat 2 kayong isa ayaw niya, pinalitan niya. Ayaw ba? Ayaw. No. Ayaw. Puyo ba? Goy. No, 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 no.
Oh, look. A butterfly.
That's a pretty flower.
Hey, what happened?
Petals.
flower. A fly.
Doon yung flower.
bee. Fly upper. Fly. Hello.
Hi,
Hello.
Goy.
Hello. Hello.
Good morning, Goy.
Hello.
Say
Hello.
hi. Ayaw.
Hey. Hello.
Sit down, sit down.
Hello.
Hala, ang kulit ni Agoy-Agoy. Ay, pagkulit mo. Huwag ka
Because
magsinulit.
baby
Good morning
CJ
po sa
did
mga
that.
bagong
You
gising.
know, baby CJ knows that's a toy. A phone is a toy.
Yeah.
Mom, you got a little bug on you. Oh, bug. Oh, bug.
You put the bugs on me? Oh, no.
I did not.
Oh, no.
No, I did not. I did the bug just fly at you. Oh, bug. It's flying. Check a closer look at the phone. There you see a big fly. You can see a real fly. A fly. It's really
Fly, 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 the butterfly.
Mama, can I show you the biz? Okay. The biz is
What?
wait, the biz is right
Stop.
there.
Somebody said good. So what's that, Goy?
Biz. Bet you. Biz.
Sa gagawin mga kaibigan, oh.
I gave you
Pinaglaruan ng
one.
kanyang nanay. Pinaglaruan mo ang nanay mo, no? Ikaw, ha? Ayaw ba?
Biz.
Ayaw.
Biz.
Stop.
It's the bug. Biz. Biz.
Puyo.
You're fly.
Saan ka ito nakakuha?
Watch.
Saan ka ito nakakuha ng
Watch
petals,
out.
oh?
It's moving.
Nanguha ng petals, mga kaibigan. Goy, we've been here all day.
We didn't
It's
know.
time to go home and it's time to cook for dinner.
Where is Sita?
Wala pa. We're waiting.
Stick that in.
Okay? Ingat mga kaibigan. Bye-bye. Okay, oh,
Bye-bye.
say bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.